that you're here today. I want to welcome. Is Garden B in the house? Yes, I would like to welcome Garden B to the stage. Garden B is one of the creators that I met early in spatial. If you guys don't know, she is the number one spatial guide. she
Hi,
brings the
hello.
most people. She brings the most people into spatial than any spatial creator in this space. And that's because a continuous education and value that she's providing and the community that she has been providing is just outstanding. The other day I had a question about how to build something, and she jumped on it. She helped me. She did a tutorial. She did a video, and really walked through the steps to help me. And I'm just very thankful that she's here today. She's joining us all the way from I think Japan, correct?
Hi,
Uh,
I'm Garden B, one of the Spatial guys from Japan. First, sorry for my English is not good, but thank you Creative Hours, Spatial, and everyone here for the opportunity today. I'm always amazed by the event presented by Creative Hours. So I'm so happy to be here. Let's get started. So our title is Communication Through Games. From Web3 aspect, we need to try to create a community where people can join. I think join is the key to Web3. Not just receiving and giving information like before, using Metaverse and Web3 technology, people can join to a community. So, since Spatial has launched the Creator Toolkit, that is Unity-based application we can use to create spaces, we are trying to experiment with how we can use the tool to make a communication platform. Then now we are working on Tokyo Kiri Circuit, not only for business, but also to find possibilities how to engage people to communicate with others in the metaverse. Okay. So let me introduce our team members first. Mainly, I'm working with Java, the Unity developer, and Max, the CG generalist for the Tokyo Kiri project. We've only met in spatial and never met in real life. Sounds interesting, right? I usually work with different creators in web development. Recently, I started working with Metaverse world development. I think Metaverse is a great place to meet interesting people. So I want to integrate this key point of it into game development. This is my initial thoughts to game development. So what is Tokyo Kiri Circuit? Tokyo Kiri Circuit is a series of car racing games. We have two race tracks, Tokyo Kiri Drift and Tokyo Kiri Circuit. And now we are creating Tokyo Kiri Gateway. Spatial has released World as a concept to organize multiple spaces. By using this, I think we can create and control a wide range of experiences for users, not for one space. So we are trying to experiment with what we can do to use world. Actually, we plan to create 20 spaces related to car games. The ideas are fun. Example, getting a bus driving license, driving school, safari park racing, and parking games, and so on. That's a lot for our small team, but we need to focus on one area to strengthen our brand. In our world, you can get meow coins by driving cars. Then you can buy race items and the cat avatars. Okay. But we don't think we are just making games. Rather, we are building a communication platform. There are many racing games on mobile already. We don't want to compete with them. Rather, we should see possibilities of Web3. And I see the metaverse as a communication platform Also, I think many people are eager to meet new and diverse people, aside from existing relationships. In the real world, our activity is limited to the local area. But in the metaverse, we can meet people from all over the world. It can bring us new opportunities like creating new ideas, working with new people to a new value, and so on. This is diversity. Just like today's event, Metaverse Summit. That's amazing. The first thing we need to think about is how to acquire users and what is our target audience. We first set browser game as our target. Browser game is the smallest part of the game industry, game market, because console games and PC games are highly competitive. And as for mobile, spatial control in mobile and VR is like not the best. We hope spatial will improve the mobile experience in drivable vehicles. All right, thank you for listening. Anyway, we set our competitors from browser games. Then I have played several racing games in PC browser, and I realized the experience of racing games in browser was not good. It shows ads from time to time and forced me to buy items. I realized selling items and showing advertisements are the main ways of monetization of browser games. And it causes a bad experience for users. What do you think? Do you want to play a game while popping up advertisement frequently? No. So I understood the importance of creating another business model using Metaverse. Users of browser games are light users. They don't want to spend money on games and even don't have consoles. How can we try to engage these users to retain our world? This is a question. And one of our ideas to engage people to communicate with others is to split users into two parties. This is like a team battle. Of course, solo play is welcome and available as they are light users. My idea is when we set a team battle, users in the same team need to communicate about a plan to win the race. Then we'll plan various kinds of game rules, not just time attack, to make sure everyone can enjoy it. Also, we'll prepare Discord channels for each team to make the communication easier. So what are two parties? These are house cat and stray cat. This is team battle, but I don't want to make it a serious battle. House cats are people, and they are trying to coexist with humans and create a comfortable life. On the other hand, a stray cat loves freedom and travel and tries to be free from human, which they love. I will be a stray cat, but so far we only have house cat avatar. So let me change my avatar. This is vanilla, white kitty, and it represents house cat. I love human. Yes. So you can choose a stray cat or a house cat. Join the team and battle in a race to bring peace to the cat world. So Tokyo Kiri Circuit is a circuit-saved metaverse that promotes communication. This is our concept. On the left side, this is a scoreboard we are creating right now. It shows the top 10 ranking separated into two parties. We hope this team battle system will help users meet a variety of people, and feel an interest in the Tokyo Kitty Circuit as well as spatial. About monetization, we are going to adopt two types of monetization. Number one, supporter system. We are looking for people who want to join as supporters. Supporters will plan the game rules and events to promote communication. We release NFTs for supporters in August. Number two, corporate tie-up. This is a service for companies. We are still considering about the service, but for example, companies that want to hold events in Metaverse or to install ads panels in Metaverse, that will support companies to join Web3 field. Currently, we are trying to collaborate with real racetracks actually, and we found one real racetrack that we can collaborate with. It's really nice. Oh, yes. This is all for my presentation. We are still developing the team battle function, but now you can enjoy racing with your friends in the Tokyo Kitty Circuit. Let me put the Tokyo Kitty Drift URL in the chat box. So, this is the URL for the Tokyo Drift. And please follow me on Twitter to stay up to date. Thanks for listening.